And good morning from Abligaya. It is about 8:30 in the morning, and today is an exciting day because all of the lower beams that you can see that have been formed on the project are to be poured today. The architect really wants to do a monolithic pour that pours the entire lower beams for the house and the veranda in one big pour. So there's 12 gentlemen on site today who are working on this. They had a little bit of form work to button up this morning, but I expect to see them pretty much get started with the pour pretty quickly. So we are very excited, and I'm gonna take us down and take a look and see what's going on at some of the work down there. The slanting beams pose a specific and interesting challenge because the concrete has to be put in a way that it fills the forms and doesn't overflow. I'm not exactly sure how the architect intends to do that, but the foreman is on site. They are taking care of things, and it is exciting. I can see that Zaldi has already started to put some water into the mixer, and they are on their way getting started. Looks to me like Mondo in the orange shirt is working on buttoning up the very last piece of formwork that I think is yet to be done. There's Edwin above him tying in some ties. And Mondo is making sure that that is put on straight. That's wonderful. Morning, Jim. Here you can see they've got the mixer set up with the pan pretty much ready to go, making sure that they have everything they need to get this monolithic pour done. So there are the tops to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 veranda columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 house columns that will be poured to tie in all of these lower beams that you see right here. Everything that is formed in with the black crocodile plywood is to be poured today. This is a big moment for us. So unfortunately, there will not be drone footage of ours today because yesterday I crashed the drone, and not only crashed it but actually broke it, which is disappointing because I really would love to have been able to show what this looks like as a second floor pour with all these lower beams getting poured at one time. Udit is making sure that the crew is well fed by providing them all with merienda, which is the Tagalog word for snack for this morning.
We ran out when had said because we thought they won't be more than 15 people.
Why are there more than 15?
Because it's pouring, and I thought one of our crew were making the carport come But then he showed up because he likes.
So there's one. I said that was Zaldi, but it isn't. That's King. Just as a side note, yesterday it was 37 degrees. I am hoping it is not quite that hot today for this pour. This is back-breaking, intense work for these guys. Each of those bags of cement is 40 kilo, which is approximately 90 pounds. been a long day at the Laoag, and the A5 crew has pulled off an astonishing feat. They poured the entire lower beams, which includes every single one of the beams in the veranda and the beams that circle the main house. This was an amazing feat of work, and I think that Edwin, the foreman, may have touched every single bucket of concrete. He is MVP for today. We are so very, very, very thrilled with the work that was done today. So remember to like, subscribe, and click the little bell button so you can be notified of our next upload. And it'd be great if you'd share. So we would love that as well. We're going to sign off from Laoag for this week. Remember, it's the journey, not the destination.